celery, tomato, onion, green or red pepper, and 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3. Most people like their omelette with raw vegetables, but my father's recipe is based on pre-cooking each vegetable. It's what we call sofreír. We're gonna cut every vegetable as small as possible. Here comes the special part, the crying vegetable. If you freeze it, it avoids you the crying, so no crying for me because it's very froze. Tomato is too acid, so we're just gonna cut a little piece. Very thin. Voila. Now we're going to, the green pepper gives a special look to the omelette, but the other vegetables we're gonna cut it into little pieces. Now I think that's enough. Now we're gonna break the eggs and stir them. There's one. And the last one. Now before we stir them, we're gonna add a little bit of milk. There was a little accident, so now we continue. We add the salt. No, the pepper. And garlic. There we go. Now stir them. And we have our perfect mix. But we can still keep going. As we said before, in our recipe we prefer to pre-cook the vegetables, so it adds flavor. Fire. We recommend. Now we're going to put the vegetables in the thing. we recommend to cook in a very low fire so that it doesn't burn and keep a nice yellow color. Something that gives a kick, it's salsa inglesa. So I'm gonna throw a little bit. So now we stir. That smells very good, very good. Now that it's pre-cooked, we're gonna mix it with the eggs. And stir them again. Now that everything is mixed, back to the pan. Now we're gonna add ham, and we could also add cheese, but in this case just ham. It seems that it's pretty cooked. Let's look down below. Yes it is, yes it is. Looks very nice to me. And voila, c'est magnifique. Thank you, teacher.